Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get into the Nopixel public server. First, you'll need Grand Theft Auto 5 on your computer. This is the foundation for all the fun. Next, download and install 5M, a crucial modification that allows access to roleplay servers like Nopixel. Finally, head over to the official Nopixel website to register your account. Remember, you must be at least 18 years old to join this vibrant community. Once you have Grand Theft Auto 5 and 5M ready, it's time to set up your Nopixel account. Visit the Nopixel website and fill out the registration form. You'll need to link your Discord account, which is vital for staying connected with the community and server announcements. Also, be sure to provide your Steam or Epic Games ID as part of the registration. This ensures your game is properly recognized for server access. With your account created, you can now connect to a public server. From your Nopixel dashboard, simply select one of the public server options. Keep in mind that due to high player interest, you might encounter a queue, sometimes with hundreds of players waiting. Patience is key. Most importantly, immerse yourself in the roleplay and always adhere to the server's comprehensive rules and guidelines to ensure a fun and fair environment for everyone. To truly enjoy your time on the Nopixel public server, a few tips can make a big difference. Always use a working microphone for clear communication, as voice roleplay is central to the experience. Embrace the roleplay aspect fully. Your creativity makes the world richer. If you find yourself waiting in long queues frequently, you might consider purchasing priority access, which can significantly reduce your wait time and get you into the action faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.